Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you today, and by the way, this is by request, and this request comes from Jerry, and he asks, how do I create a shortcut to my iOS device's home screen? Right now, I want to tell you that I am using iOS 9.2 on an iPhone 6 Plus, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to switch to Safari, which is where I have the application loaded and where I have the page already pre-selected. And let's do that so that we don't take much time to show you how to do this. The first step number one, is you want to go to the page where you are intending to create a shortcut for. So in this case, let's switch over to Safari for me.
App Switcher. Safari, active.
There it is.
Actions available. Contacts. Safari, menu icon, image.
Okay, so now we have Safari open. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bottom here using iOS 9.2 and above. At the bottom, I'm going to place my finger at the bottom center of the screen. What I'm looking for a share button.
Share button.
Luckily, I found it, but if you don't find it, what you want to do is you want to do a single flick left or a single flick right to find your button. But here's the deal. I'm going to illustrate that.
Forward, dimmed, button, share, button, show bookmarks, button.
I'm hitting right flick with my thumb finger because what I'm doing is I'm holding my phone with my right hand and my thumb finger allows me to right flick.
Share, button.
I just left flicked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap here and a menu is going to come up. Let's see.
Alert, cancel, button, enable AirDrop sharing, button.
Now we have enable drop share. What we're looking for is add to home page, okay? This is what we're looking for. So I'm going to right flick with my thumb finger here.
AirDrop, message, button, mail, button, reminders, button, notes, button, Facebook, button, WhatsApp, button, Twitter, button, save PDF to iBooks, Telegram, button, more, button, copy, button, print, button, add to favorites, button, add bookmark, button, add to reading list, button, add to home screen, button, draggable.
There. What we're looking for is
add to home screen, button, draggable.
And I'm going to double tap on that so that I can add this to my home screen.
Add to home. Text field is editing. Carpal tunnel syndrome treatment for relief, recovery and prevention. Insertion point at end.
So what I have here is I have a title. That's the title of the page. You may name this whatever you want. I'm going to leave it at that because that's what I was reading earlier. The cure or a little bit of treatment for carpal tunnel syndrome. Anyway, I'm in a text box here and I'm going to flick left so you can hear this.
Add button.
Okay, add. I'm just going to add because you know what? What we want to do here really is add. But if you want to right flick.
Text field is editing. Character mode. Carpal tunnel syndrome treatment for relief, recovery and prevention. Insertion point at end.
The idea here is that if you want to type some other text that's more desirable for you, then you can do that and then you can left flick.
Add button.
And double tap on this add button to make it very simple.
Home messages. Rent.com.
Alright, so the idea here is now where is this thing? What page is it on? Typically it'll be at the last page. So I'm going to use my 3 fingers to left swipe. And that looks like what that's going to be is on the last page here. Let's take a look. I'm going to place my finger at the bottom left hand corner of the screen here.
Dock, phone, 139 new items.
And I'm going to left flick here.
Page 404, adjustable.
Now notice that it says page 404. That's where I am.
Carpal tunnel syndrome treatment for relief, recovery and prevention.
That's the shortcut that was just created. You may move this to another screen if you like to. And I'm going to set up a tutorial on this in the future. But that is how you create a shortcut to a page on your home screen. Like I said, the step was go to your website, right? That's step number 1. And then at the bottom, you're going to hit the share button. And then you're going to right flick, step number 3, until you find add to home screen. You're going to double tap on that. And in step number 4, what you're going to do is you are going to enter a title. And then you're going to left flick and double tap on the add button. And that is how you add a shortcut to your home screen. I hope you enjoy this and that it's helps you. And if you have any questions or any requests, please feel free to put your request down below, or email me at blindtechchannel@gmail.com. That is blindtech, TECH, channel@gmail.com, all together. Have a wonderful day.